sameeyaan
enemy of your enemy is your friend. Djibouti, about Berbera port deal between Somaliland and Ethiopia. This agreement seriously threatened Djibouti's 90% of trade. Our trade is if it starts moving to Berbera, it could hurt Djibouti. I am ready to do everything. Agreement, increase internal clan divisions, create instability. Yes, we will support specific clan leaders who oppose Somaliland's government, make internal disputes. Enemy of your enemy is your friend. Djibouti, this side, Somalia that side. Together, pressure Somaliland. Stop the deal at all cost region. We will make trouble there. SSE form alliance with us. I have invited them to my palace also to discuss stability in Somaliland. Internal fights, deal stopped.